Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your JBL Quantum 100 is not working on a PC, and this is something that you can try to do. So first thing, what you want to do, go to Control Panel. Then you want to go to Hardware and Sound. Then under Autoplay, you're going to have Sound. And when you're going to be right here, you're going to have Playback. Then you're going to have Recording. And on the playback, you want to have your JBL Quantum 100 as a main. So you want to press on a JBL Quantum 100 and press set to default. Then on the recording, when you're going to have the microphone here and the headset, you want to again click on it, press on it and go set to default. Then what you want to do is right click, properties, go to listen and levels and make the microphone 100%. So the 100. This is the first thing. Then the next thing that you want to go is go to settings. Then you want to go to privacy. Then you want to go to microphone. And here allow apps to access your microphone, and you want to have yes. So this is another thing that you want to do. And the last thing that you can try to do, maybe it's going to work out. So you want to go to device manager. In the device manager, you are going to have the sound video. And what you want to do is go right click, disable device. Yes. And enable it. And then right click. And you want to update the driver. So search Outlook for drivers, search Outlook for drivers. This is something you can do. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.